go. This is a great spot. So up the road at the Nullarbor Roadhouse, I paid $22.50 for a steak burger and thought, you know, get a little side of chips. No, that was an extra $7 and $6 for the juice. So near on mid-30s. Here, I had the biggest piece of lasagna last night with a side salad, had the sticky date pudding with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream and a cider, all for the same price. Madura Pass, people, and all the lookout up the top there. If you didn't want to stay in the accommodation, pitch your tent up there, mate. It's freaking deluxe. So I'm just going to find out about this trail that follows the mountain range all the way around and eventually comes out near the bird conservatory. So let's go. Okay, people, you got to forget Sejuna and forget the Nullarbor Roadhouse. This is the place to stop. So I went for a walk last night through the forest and I saw a track. So I just asked Christine, I said, Christine, does that track go to another track that's showing on my maps that follows the whole bottom of the mountain and brings you out about 70 k's down the road to the bird conservatory? Wow, look at this. Honestly, people, locals is your best GPS. So down that beach track, cross a dog fence, follow this track for 5 to 6 kilometres, and then that track takes me all the way out to the bird conservatory, which is about 70 k's down the road. So fabulous bit of dirt. And she said, oh, and there's a quarry out that way and caves up that way, and mate, this place is epic. Yeah, so they don't have 4G, but Telstra's been working on that, and they'll have that up in the next couple of weeks. They got 95 premium as well, so freaking awesome. All right, gotta turn my satellite on. Need clear sky. Oh, look at that, clear sky everywhere. Wicked. Awesome. So I am worried about my front tyre being so low, you know, but you know, this is kind of like a last hurrah. I just got to do it. I would have, if I got a brand new tyre at the same time in Whyalla, stupid me, I should have done, would have done some of that old air highway section of that, plus heaps more tracks around here. The Nullarbor is just so freaking exciting. Right, let's go. So roughly 10 k's down the road. Thanks Madura Pass, thanks for the memories and thanks for the heads up. Wicked. Yeah, so I saw this little track, but that just goes to a Telstra tower, and that was to the lookout, plus another road down there to the lookout too. Let's go! And I did see this when I rode past it yesterday. I'll see how far I can go before I have to put tyre pressures down. Wicked! To the dog fence! Yep, this is the one. Yeah, this is it. This is the dog fence. Wicked. So there was several tracks that came off here. 1, 2, but I didn't know if they got to the range and then there'd be locked gates for the dog track. So I've just kept riding until I hit the dog fence. Now I'm going to follow that track up. Wicked. Will it squeak? Yes, that does. Down this track. Wicked. Exciting. Okay, let's go. It's heating up already. So might end up with just my sports top. And look, I waypointed that, how funny. So I want to follow that mountain range all the way down. Wicked! Hurry on! Woo! How exciting! Woo! Woo! Wicked! Beautiful! Stuff me. Don't say we got wombats in WA. Really? Could we? No way. We have. WA parts. How did I not know this? How did I not know this? There, more mounds there. Oh, stuff me. How exciting, there might be hope yet. Go on, universe. Wow, there's heaps of them. What are the chances? Ray, Mr. Wombat? Now I have to be conscious of any wombat stepping out in front of me. That would be like hitting a brick wall. Can't believe we got wombats in WA! There's the mountain! This one runs further along the mountain range away from it, and that one takes you right up next to the mountain range and runs all along the mountain range. So I think I'm going to go do that one. Yeah, it follows the mountain range, so it'll be a bit more rougher and rugged, but they pretty much come out to the same spot. Alright, let's go do this one. Woo! There's another fork in the road. That track takes you up and over the mountain. Goes up, over the mountain, back out to the main road, which is not what I want. I'm taking this track and it's going to follow this whole mountain range. This track's not so much a straight line, it's more twisty bendy as it weaves its way in and out of the bottom of the mountain range. Might have to drop some tyre pressures. See how we go. Tree sections, it's definitely more pannier slapping. Just tuck my mirror in. So if you got those big wide aluminium panniers, yeah, nah. Yeah, definitely the foliage is a lot closer to the edge of the track. Freaking great track. So I haven't dropped my tyre pressures and the back wheel's doing a bit more slippy slidey. Definitely could do more grip, but I can't be stuffed. I'm not doing a Toby on this track. Well, exercising a bit more restraint. So look how close this foliage is to the edge of the track. Oh yeah, the Nullabore's so flat, so boring. Oh, couldn't think of a more boring ride across the Nullabore. Idiots. Get curious, people. Get curious, because that's where the magic is. Through the magical forest. Yeah, not hard to overshoot corners, that's for sure. But track's in meh. Well, I was lucky to make it through that. That is boggy sand. Boggy sand. Woohoo. Looks like more. Yeah. Oh yeah, shit. It seems to me that the high line... Oh no, I've got no legs. Because the track generally slopes down that side, so I think I'll stay on the high line. Yeah, that seems to be the rule of thumb. Stay on the high line. And it probably would help if I drop my tyre pressures, but I can't be stuffed. Look at that! Look at that! Woo! Oh, there's a cave up there. There's a cave up there. Apparently there's heaps of caves to explore along the Nullabore. Lots of caves. love it. Definitely a wicked skinny bike track for sure. Woo! Upshot. Stop and have a mouthful of water because I'm so parched. Man, this is a freaking awesome trail. Unreal. I'm so glad I did this. Just in case. Alright, I'll get my camera, get a close-up of this. Freaking awesome. Mate, this trail... scorched peanuts in my throat. This is freaking awesome. This is freaking awesome. Thanks, Christine. Yep, people. Locals are your best GPS. So for the most part, it's hard pack, you know, kind of a bit loose-ish. You still get speed up because it's kind of like a berm, except for those sections where yeah, it was boggy sand, like bull dusty style sand, and they come around so quick. But I found that if I rode on the high side, yeah, heaps better. Still got a fair hike to go, so let's keep moving. Carry on. Gouge marks are horrible. Hurry on! Forever. So I think if you've got those aluminium panniers and you don't want to do hard work, you can take that parallel straight line down and it wouldn't be so bad. But if you want a whole heap of fun, do the twisty bendy one. The one that runs really at the bottom of the hills here. Section through here is a little bit more sandier. It's like a sort of low-lying swamp area. Beautiful. Amazing. I'm having a whole heap of fun, but I'm certainly not in full-blown Toby mode. This track's too remote, and I don't think a whole load of people come down here that often. So I'm having fun, but sensible at the same time. Look how beautiful this is. Wow, this is a nice spot through here. Almost feels like a creek or a river through here. leave roasting in my jacket just to show you this. Sand dunes have just come into. Wow. And that's the ocean down there, people. That's the ocean beyond those dunes. Stuff me, eh? Okay, still got a fair hike to get to where the track goes up over the mountain and back out onto the main road. Yeah, so there's the ocean there. Whew. Carry on. Oh yeah, airflow. Oh my god. Airflow. So we got a lot more rocks on this now. Maybe because we're getting closer to the coast. Bloody beautiful, eh? Oh no! The Nullabore's so boring. The Nullabore's so boring. This is anything but boring. Ah, is this where it joins up to the other track? Oh, what's in there? What's in there? Oh, what is this place? What is this place? Wow. Wow. Wowee! Look at this fence. Oh, man, this track goes for miles and miles and miles. So be prepared, people, or take that straight track. Wow, that looks like a bird over here. Gotta go have a look. Freaking hell, this is incredible. What a secret little spot. There's nothing on my map about this spot. No, nothing. Nothing. Right, I'm going to do a little sort of a tent symbol so I know. Wow. Looks like it might have been an old homestead or something at one stage. Wow, this place, it's shit like this that puts the A in adventure. How freaking amazing is this? Nothing on the map. Nothing. Wow. Wowee. So definitely that was an old chukshen. There you go. Shed pen. Wowee. Maybe flagpole. This would have been an old house for sure. Little cabin. Fireplace still standing. Wowee. What is this place? Freaking amazing. So I came out of that trail. And here's another, what would have been an old shack or something. Who knows? Who knows? There's no information anywhere. New bit of trails going out of here. I've got to work out which one's mine. I have to see the dunes in the background. No doubt that goes down to the ocean. Somewhere along the trail, there is a track that gets me up and over that mountain. Yeah, how bizarre indeed. That's what happens when you get curious, people. I reckon I'm more of an explorer than an adventure rider. Wow, how's this place? So bizarre, so bizarre. Freaking amazing, amazing. I've never seen such a refraction of colours so intense in my entire life. That's magical. Straight ahead down onto that main track. Then we'll get to a track that takes us up and over the mountain. Right, carry on, Hermes. Wow, that refraction of colours was phenomenal. Down here. Yep. Carry on. Done. So that's the junction of the straight track. So for those that don't want to do the hours-long twisty bendy, you just do that straight track from the top of the dog fence, all in front of that range, down to here. Alright. Carry on. You'll find the track that takes us up and over that mountain. Oh, this is fully overgrown, this one. Just going to take it easy through here because there's big sticks that stick out from these trees. I don't want to get skewered. So it's like these metal old power poles that go through here. Wowee. What an amazing track. Yeah, so you can see that. There's a couple of big hard logs sticking out of that. So just being super careful. Oh, and the middle is dead soft. Super soft. Well, there you go, people. Nuytsland Nature Reserve. Wow. Okay. So I'll waypoint that. Okay, carry on. Wicked. Yeah, this is all tight and twisty bendy, a little bit sandy, whoa, slippery with full road pressures. Bird Observatory, 9 more k's down that way. Air Highway 20. Oh, there, I can see it up through the hills. 20 k's that way. So I'm going back to the main road, and I'm going to save the Bird Conservatory for another trip down here when I come with someone else next time, and we'll go camp down on the ocean, because this is freaking amazing. This is amazing. What a freaking awesome track. Woo! So glad I did that. So glad I did that. Wow, look at that. It goes all the way up the hill. Oh, a bit loose. Wicked! Wicked! So that was 92 k's up to that point. 92 k's from Madura Pass roadhouse. A hazardous ascent. just got to get you some view of that. That's freaking amazing. Wicked. Oh my God, this is amazing. What an awesome ride. What a freaking awesome ride. Wow. Top of the world. That's epic. So yeah, boat riders, just stay in the bald spots. Don't go in that gravelly shit in the middle and you will be good. It's a great surface. Wow, look at that. Oh yeah, Nullabore's so boring. Nothing to see. Such a long, boring ride. Carry on. 20 k's to the air highway. Wicked. Freaking awesome. What an awesome last hurrah. Hey? What an awesome last hurrah. Good boy, Hermes. Yeah, chuck that one into the top 10 of WA's epic rides. Oh, I'd love to go down there, but just, you know, one more night on a windy, dusty, sandy beach. But, coming back. Mark, you come do this one with me. Freaking love this. Let's go finish off the boring old Nullarbor, eh? Oh, well, these mirrors are mint. Yeah, they're definitely paid for themselves. 20 k's along the top of the ridge of the mountain and then up onto the air highway. Epic. And definitely I could have made life easier for myself if I dropped the tyre pressures, but you know, I'll get to the end of the highway up here and in the sun have to bring out the compressor and... Alright. Yeah, definitely be a smoother ride going out if I drop the pressures, but I'm still not going to, not this late in the game. Can't be bothered. Carry on. Wow, our state is absolutely magnificent and challenging and remote. Come to WA, people. I actually know better not, don't. I didn't pass one single car on that trail. Want to keep it that way. Oh wow! Four drive only passes foot here. I'm just going to park this in the shade for a second, because before I drive away, I just need to get you a better view. That's freaking epic. Look out! For the lookout. Wow, look at that trail going all the way into the ocean. Wow, oh, that'd be a bit sandy, I reckon. Oh yeah, just take the dog vents out. Top 10. Got another entry in the top 10. I'll have to sit down and compile it one day. One day when I'm off the saddle. Nothing better to do. Right, let's carry on. Woohoo! What about a two-wheel drive? Of this variety. Hey, Hermes? You're a two-wheel drive. Oh, one-wheel drive, actually. Yeah, it's probably the only thing I was a bit concerned about was getting out of this mountain, given the trail. But so, yeah, that's epic. That was such a good surface. Really good surface. So 94.8 up to here to the lookout. So 95 kilometres from the roadhouse to here. apart, you know, it's not a 1 hour ride. Definitely not a 1 hour ride. Alright, let's get out of here. Woo! Only the best, my boy, because yeah, hungry, worked up an appetite doing that track. So just met Nick, and he came out of that trail that goes all the way down to the beach. 3 hours deep ruts. He said, mate, I've got a DR, and he said maybe I'll try it unloaded, but definitely not loaded. How lucky is that, eh? How lucky is that? So I just want to quickly grab a bite to eat. Whew. All right, you'll all be safe in about 10 minutes, people. You can relax. Dig in.